Here is how to fund your Alipay account. Now, I got this question from a person in the comment section, and I was like, yeah, let's talk about it. Here is how to fund your Alipay account. Now, if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm Toyin, and on this channel, we talk on how you can import from China successfully without regretting your actions. And today we'll be talking on how to fund an Alipay account. Now, if you are just coming across this video and you do not know what an Alipay account is, probably I'll be leaving the link in the description box. I know I always say I'll leave the link in the description box, and I do not eventually leave it. I will leave the link to this YouTube channel in the description box. So you can go ahead and check this video, watch this video. Alipay is an app where people transact. Now, not just ordinary people, where you in your country transact with a person in China. Alipay account can be used to send money to your Chinese supplier as an importer. Now, not only importers use this, they use it in China, but we here that are business owners and import from China use it to send money, send funds, send RMB to our Chinese supplier. Alipay is like your bank app. Yes, Zenith, Opay, UBA use it to send money to people in your country, but we use Alipay to send money to Chinese suppliers because that is the app where they receive transaction. But we are not talking about anything Alipay. I've done a video about that. Go and watch it. This video we are talking on how to fund this Alipay account, and this is how you can fund your Alipay account.
Now, for you to be able to fund your Alipay account, you tap on Alipay. So we go over to Alipay. Now, this is how you are going to see your Alipay section. Now, up here you see scan, pay, receive, transport, blah blah blah. Now when you tap on it, you are going to tap on receive because you want to receive from somebody. I hope you know that for you to fund your Alipay account, you will need an exchanger. You will need an exchanger for you to be able to fund your Alipay account. So you need a legit exchanger. You need to be very, very careful when it comes to getting an exchanger, so they will not scam you, or so they will not give you something lesser than what your money is supposed to be worth. So you need an exchanger. How are you going to get them? One, some of these shipping companies too has the service of an exchanger, especially the ones that procure goods. They also have the service of an exchanger. And two, you can go on social media, TikTok, Instagram, to look for exchangers that can help you exchange money from naira to yuan, or from your currency to yuan. Now, when you see a legit exchanger, when you see an exchanger, you are going to tap. After you tap on all the place I showed you, like after you tap on pay stroke receive, then you tap on receive because you are the one collecting. Transfer is when you are sending to a supplier. Now tap on receive. Now you're going to see this particular QR code, so you save this QR code, save it, and this is the QR code you will send. This is actually a new account, by the way. This is the account I use for tutorial. So when you save this QR code, you will now send it to your exchanger. Okay, your exchanger will now fund your Alipay account. You will send this to your exchanger to now fund. They will now fund your Alipay account. Now when your exchanger fund your Alipay account, for you to be able to check your balance, you go down here to account, tap on account, you see balance, you tap on balance, and you check your balance. This is where you check your balance. This particular place is where you check your balance. I hope you understand. This is how to fund your Alipay account. Now if you want to transfer, it's the same thing. Tap on pay stroke receive, tap on transfer, and it will show you, yes, transfer to Alipay. This is where you do your transfer. Okay, so when you want to pay on 1688 or Pindodo or anywhere, you are going to see the Alipay section there. You tap on it. Like after you finish funding it, just go back to wherever you want to buy from. You tap on it and it's going to take you over here, and you just make your payment. Or if you are sending it to a supplier directly, that's, you are not going through Chinese website, you are sending it to a supplier directly, they are going to give you their own account, so you will put it in. If it's Alipay, if it's bank, you put it in and you then send. That is how to transfer. But to fund your Alipay, you have to go through the receive section to get your QR code and then send this QR, save the image and send the QR code to your exchanger, and the exchanger then send you your money and you make your payment. I hope it's explanatory. I hope you understand.
If you like this video, I want you to subscribe to this family. And yes, like this video, and we'll see again in the next video. Till then, bye guys.